Good morning everyone, I have some bad news. My cucumber plants are suffering from downy mildew, it's called. It's in Swedish it's called, if you translate it exactly, it's called false mildew. But it's just something completely different actually. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is pretty early development of it. But we can already see that it's coming a lot here, which is not very good. As you can see, well, the cucumbers seem to be doing very good right now. But you can see I have cut off all these leaves because they were just too infected by it. So I hope that it doesn't spread. I don't know if I can make it disappear. I think I'm just gonna have to live with it. I hope that it doesn't affect my harvest. So apparently downy mildew is a disease caused by fungus-like microorganisms. So they're not actually fungi, I think. And I don't really know what that means for me, but at least it supposedly thrives in cool and moist conditions. And in this greenhouse it's not very cold. Well, in the night it's pretty cold, but it's very moist, so I think that has something to do with it. So I'm taking some preventative measures to make sure that it doesn't spread a lot. And I've done it like 3 times I think, and it doesn't seem to have been working for my cucumber plants. But what that is I've had this spray with bicarbonate or baking soda, a few drops of dish soap, and a liter of water. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda per liter and a few drops of dish soap. So I've been just going around spraying this, just like this. Okay, this is so bad, this spray, but I've been doing this. And you don't actually want to do it when the sun is out. You want to do it in the mornings or during the night. You want to do it in the mornings, basically. So I've been doing that, but it still seems to be spreading, because this wasn't here like a day ago. So we will see how it goes. I'm kind of scared, because I didn't have this last year. I had another variety of cucumbers, and I think that has something to do with it. So I'm not gonna plant this variety again. I don't remember what it was called. I'll pop it up on the screen. So that one didn't work for me, but I'm gonna try other varieties and hope that they are better, more resistant. So that was everything I wanted to say in this video. And once the plant has it, it's really very hard to get rid of downy mildew. So we're gonna see how it goes. So I hope you liked the video. And subscribe if you want to see more plant content. Goodbye.